Let's recap our journey so far. We've looked at the ways our mind helps us to stay focused on our job. We've also recognized different types of injury and how they can occur at work. What is the next thing critical when it comes to injury prevention? Tool selection. We use many tools in the workplace for different types of tasks. So many, it's quite easy to become confused over which tool does what job. Some look like they can perform the same job. Some sound like they can perform the same job. Yet there is a reason for choosing a specific tool for a set job, with each one carefully designed for a purpose. Remember, in Mind How You Work, we were encouraged to approach every task as if it was our first day on the job. We need to apply the same principle to our tool selection. Less pick up a tool and crack on, more stop, think, assess. Completing a point of work risk assessment is a critical part of our role. At the point of picking up our tool, we need to ask ourselves 3 key questions. 1. Is this the most suitable tool for the job I'm performing today? Suitability. 2. Is the tool I have selected in a good condition? Readiness. 3. Does the tool come with any safety considerations? Added safety. Let's look first at suitability. We can all appreciate the importance of selecting the correct tool. For one, it helps us to perform the job simply, square peg in a round hole, efficiently, and with minimal risk to our safety. Now, you may think you know your tools back to front and inside out. Easy to think so when you work with tools every day. Although it's important to remember that, just like us humans, tools can progress over time. And we need to ensure we are constantly up to speed on their progression so we're not adding any unnecessary risk to our job. When did you last stop and think, is there a better way to do this? Be sure you are up to date on current processes and aware of any changes to procedures that can affect what tool is best suited to what task. It'll save you time and it could help you prevent an injury. Next up, readiness. So, you've found your tool and you're good to go. Hit pause for a moment. Take another look over the tool, this time in more detail. Does the tool look clean and well maintained? Does the tool look to have chips, cracks, or any other damage? Does the tool look old or dated? If you have any concerns at all toward the tool's appearance in terms of its current condition, stop. Don't use it. Report it and remove the tool from the area. Never leave it for another workmate to use. Then go on to select another in its place. When it comes to work tools, added safety can take shape in a number of forms. Gloves. These may be required for use with some tools and not others. Guarding. This can be fundamental for use with a number of tools. PPE. Eye protection or masks create an additional line of defense when using many tools. Always check whether any accompanied safety measures are recommended or compulsory before you apply a tool to a task. And remember, the point of work risk assessment is key to injury prevention.